Damn it, I was like, oh man, I'm only gonna be like 20 seconds late. No man, it was like 2 minutes late. Shit, dude. Alright, we're gonna finish up some JavaScript apps that I've just had sitting here. I was listening to the VOD. I could actually turn up my mic a little bit. Could actually be a bit louder, so there we go, it's louder. Alright, this is handwriting generator. Basically generates writing that's supposed to try to emulate handwriting with a shader. I wrote this very quickly, but it seems to work pretty well, and all that doesn't work is the alignment. So you can randomize it, and then you can like save profiles and load profiles, so you can save the way it's written. It's supposed to be used for like graphic design. And like, I actually want to do this now for the game because I want to do a journal, or I want to do some lore, and I want to make it look handwritten, and it's also useful for that. It actually can generate so many different looking things. Alright, anyways, okay, did I just say this is a simple program? Dude, this is like 800 fucking lines. Simple. So, where is the alignment done? The alignment is done here. Wait, this measures the line width. And it measures the maximum, I guess, So this is the thing. If I align it to, the center or the right, I need to shift it over by the width. But to calculate the width of the line, so each character can be randomly jittered a little bit back and forth. God damn it, why is my hair like more to one side than the other? What the fuck, man? It looks so messed up. But so with the random jitters, I either need to store the random values hair is fucked up, man. Just like the concept of hair. Like, as a game dev, hair scares me. Like, I'm not even joking. I was thinking about how you would do hair in a game the other day, and it was just like, holy fuck, you could literally spend like, you could spend all your time programming hair physics and strand rendering for hair, and it still wouldn't be perfect. It's like, it's fucked. So I think I'm going to try doing this without the proper jitters. So like right here, these wouldn't be aligned properly because of the jitters. Because but I think that's okay because it's supposed to kind of be imperfect anyways. So let's try it. Alright, so we measure the longest line width, and then when we're doing the rendering here, so the offset X is what I'm going to have to change to center it. If I think I've already loaded the alignment variable, align ID. So if align ID equals 1, then we're going to do center alignment. And if alignment ID equals 2, then we're going to do right alignment. And I'm going to need to calculate the line width to do that. Alright, so we'll calculate only the line width. The line width is only needed if we're aligning to the center right, which is when align ID isn't 0. So then after that we can check the align ID and do the center or right alignment. So let's try this. Offset X equals I think total width times 0.5 minus line width times 0.5. Is it the same thing if I subtract these and then multiply them by 0.5? I think it is. And then right alignment would be total width. Or wait, no, yeah. Would be just total width minus line width, I think. Let's try that. Oh, and I don't have a settings listener on this, which triggers settings changed. Oh, here we go. Align, add event listener, change, settings changed to true. I already have a callback for this. Alright, so now it will update the render. Oh my god, it centered. It actually worked. Okay, it looks like this one is always done a little bit more to the right. I think that's a bit biased. I'm going to see if I can fix that. I think even here this one is done a bit more to the right, but that looks really good. It looks centered. Did I get an error? Why did that stop working? Is it not showing a pop-up? Oh, I'm dumb. I was pressing reset instead of randomize. Oh, I don't know what this kind of creeps me out. I don't know what happened, but when Gedit opened today, it doesn't have an icon. It's just the Windows 10 blank icon. Kind of weird, dude. Kind of weird. So I wonder what makes... Oh, it's probably this F size times 0.8. I bet that has something to do with it. Maybe not. So this works with left align. You can see they're pretty much all completely aligned, because it starts perfectly from the left. Oh, when it goes to the right, I see. Okay, doesn't match up, but I don't get why the top one always goes farther to the right. T width minus L width. Something about max X space, maybe? The max X space pushes it. Because it's actually a mix between these. So what if I did min X space plus max X space times 0.5, so it was actually a mix between those two? Would it actually be more accurate? Okay, so now let me okay. That looks better. I still don't think it's perfect, but it's aligned pretty nice, and it's not going completely out of bounds. I feel like I should give it a bit more padding though. I think I will do offset times 2 for the right here. Actually, I'll do nothing for center. All right, I think that's done. I'm just thinking if there's anything I forgot. This is a weird Firefox bug right now. The way it like leaves this rendering here. Alright, I'm too lazy to publish this right now, like put it on my website. I also want to like, I think I want to fix up, I don't have those links pointing to actual files. I need to point it to like the MIT license. This actually isn't. This is the license for one of the fonts. So Alright, we're gonna start another project though. I've had an idea for a while to do like a ray traced 3D model editor. It's honestly a pretty big project, but I mean, I I've thought about doing it for a while. So actually, it should start small, but it's basically going to be a 3D editor, at least a simple one. I'm not even sure what to call it. Path 3D, because it's going to use path tracing. Alright, and I think I'm going to do quick WebGL 2. I got to think about this, but WebGL 1 is probably way too limited. I'm definitely going to want floating point textures. So I'm going to copy this file structure. So this is using WebGL 2. No, this is using quick WebGL. Image synthesizer is another one I need to fix up, but I mean, that's already out on my website and pretty much working. I have a better version, or like a better system of doing it now. I just haven't updated it, but I mean, I don't feel too bad about that because it's already out. And when I update it, I want to do like the full create DOM event. I'm just looking at what I was doing here. Path tracing is beautiful. Yes, it is. It's very nice. And distance functions and fractals are also very nice. The inspiration for doing this, actually, wait, let me see if let me open Mandelbrot. I think I still have it in my downloads folder. So I went to go check out Mandelbrot 3D the other day. I already checked this out years ago, and I seem to remember it being like, it honestly matched my memory. I was like, oh, I was just a dumb kid when I checked this out, and that's why I didn't understand it. But now I've actually run it, and it's honestly a shitty shader viewer. Like, this shit sucks, dude. It's not even real time. Like, you look at this shit, you can't drag it. Like, maybe I'm just an idiot, and I don't know how to set any of this stuff up. But anyways, this is cool. How do I load in what I just mutated? Anyways, yeah, I went to go try this and I was like, man, this is really slow just to view some like low quality fractals. And then I was like, well, shit, dude. Well, I mean, these are actually really good fractals. They're not low quality, but they don't have high quality path tracing. And I was like, you could totally do stuff similar to this with an actual like 3D editor using distance functions. How do I view these? Send to main editor. Nice. Nice. So, yeah. Anyways, this is so scuffed, and I thought you could do something similar with ray tracing, so Or I'm pretty sure that is ray tracing. Anyways. But that was my inspiration for that, is going, well, I know how to do path tracing, and I know that if we make a bunch of repeating shapes and combine them the right way, it makes fractals. So, and then I've thought that we can start, like, and then I could potentially add, like, quaternion Julia deforms that actually do, like, other more advanced fractals. But you start with basics, you know? I basically started with the idea... Wait, that settings GUI system I have right there is actually really good. So I have a bunch of element IDs, and if they're text, oh my god. And it supports select, checkbox, text, and number. I should be using this system for all of my HTML and JavaScript JavaScript stuff. Alright, I gotta look at quick WebGL 2 just to see what's different. I think I actually changed something about, yeah, I don't have render texture display here. I added a render texture display to quick WebGL. We're gonna add that to there because it makes it really nice. You can call, like, the render texture display.bind. Alright, now let's look at the GUI. Okay, so this is all of the GUI for the old program. We're going to delete that. We're going to rename this to 3D Editor. I'll just keep all this CSS styling for now because I can always change it later. I guess we'll create our canvas. Actually, I'm gonna add the quick WebGL canvas to the page. Where do I add it though? I guess I do absolute. Canvas position absolute. We'll do z-index. Well, z-index should be automatically 0 anyways. And then add this. I think it's quick WebGL canvas. Quick GL canvas, okay. And we're also going to need to link window resize now. So that we can resize the canvas. typing is so loud on my mic. I eventually should get a setup where I think I can get something that blocks the like a little like specifically a screen that's pointed towards my keyboard. I also could get RTX voice. Wait. I'm actually... What are the requirements for RTX voice? I don't even know if it works on my system. Okay, so if I get OBS 26 or higher, I should just have RTX. Oh wait, I also need to install drivers. Fuck. That's annoying. Oh yeah, do I need to set the height of display as well? I think I do. Ah, I could also do render scaling. Alright, so let's use WebGL to clear the color of the screen to green to test that this is working. Oh, it broke when the window resized. Uncaught frame is not defined. Oh. Oh, I'm dumb. I didn't recompile it. There we go. Alright, now let's compile a shader. So let's just output the UV gradient. What did I use event for? Dispatch event. Why does it dispatch this event? On change, trigger settings change, it sets the value. Oh, it sets the value to the default. Okay. Alright. I actually don't need to create an event. I think I just could do settings GUI on change and then create my own event like this doing target element. And I think that'll work too. And then I won't have to do this shoddy create element trick. Now let's create our shaders. So I'm not 100% sure, but I think that will compile the shader. And I'm just thinking, do I have a way to render to just part of the screen? I think the only thing I have is a full screen triangle right here. So that actually might make things kind of weird. We'll see though. Let's see if this works. Couldn't update automatically. Download the new version. Weird. Element by ID is null. ID equals synth.glsl. Did it not get included for whatever reason? Oh, shaders isn't included. Weird. There we go. There's our UV shader. Alright, so we've got shader loading set up. So I'm thinking about the editor layout. I I think the best thing would be making it customizable, but making it customizable would be really difficult. Like letting people do like in Unity or Blender where you can like drag things wherever you want. That would be like really hard to program. So we're gonna try to go with simple is better. I'm thinking we'll do a panel on the right side of the screen. Maybe we'll do it on the left. I feel like the right side of the screen is the more standard place. It's gonna have like the panel of objects here, and then we're gonna have like we have like values about the objects below. So it's like halfway or a quarter cut off with like values of the objects and the selector for the objects. We'll probably have like a hierarchy tree. Yeah. So honestly, I think I'm just gonna start working on the UI, because I think that's gonna be one of the hardest parts. So I'm not sure. I think the position of this should be absolute, and then I guess I could actually animate this with keyframes now that I think about it. I wouldn't need to I'm just thinking, do I even want to make the panel hideable? I don't think so. I'm actually thinking, now that I think about it, I actually think I'm going to cut off the canvas halfway, and we're going to do a panel on the side. Or I could do the panel over it and have the panel be partially transparent. I think that's the play. I think that is the play. Let's see how this looks. Is there even a panel there? Oh, wait. Keep forgetting I have to build. Oh, the panel is too far over. Oh, and the Z index isn't high enough. Maybe to make it I wonder, can I do negative Z index? Is that all good? Alright, yeah, -1. Make this way easier. Alright, so why does right being 20 view width make it different, or not make it go all the way over? Oh wait, is right the farthest corner right? Oh. There we go. There's our panel. It's hard to see behind chat, but Maybe make it more than 20%. Yeah, I'm definitely going to make it more than 20%. Alright. I'm not sure. I might not even do a background color here. I want to try to do it as minimal as possible. So I'm thinking whether or not I probably don't want a table. I probably want two separate dividers in the panel here. I don't know, maybe a table with columns is what I want. I'm just thinking. I want two separate scroll panels, so we'll see. Paste a bunch of text here because I want to simulate it taking up more space. Okay, so that's what I thought. It goes out of bounds. So how do we limit the height? Overflow scroll. Okay, cool. Nice. So that'll be the object hierarchy. Then we're going to do a property view. This will also be overflow scroll. Wait, maybe I should just do auto. Yeah, there we go. Alright, hold on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some water. Alright. Now I'm going to do some of the UI for the objects in the hierarchy. What it'll look like to select them. So I think I want maybe a little bit of a round border on this. I should also have a way to edit the object's name, I think. I should maybe let you double click to edit. I guess I could program that eventually by responding to double clicks. I don't know if I'm missing something. This isn't responding to hover. Maybe I'm just blind and it is changing. Oh, this is in... Oh my god. I keep forgetting that the alpha is in floating point values and then this is in bytes. There we go. That's nice and subtle. Is there an object selected attribute? Can you do selected on any element? Is there a way I could do it so that... I think I just have to do it with JavaScript and mark it as a different class. Yeah, so I just want to change the class. I'll just make another class. It's pretty much the same, but for selected objects. See, that's so weird though. Nice. Okay, so now that doesn't work with the hover, which I guess is okay, because it's already selected. Now, I think I also want to do text align left here. So I want to check doing children object. This is a child. Okay, not bad. Not bad. That's actually kind of decent, dude. That's actually pretty good. All right. So I was gonna use this settings GUI, but I actually don't. I'll probably reuse it for something. Like I'll actually probably take a bunch of code from this, but I might actually not use it. I don't know why, but it keeps disconnecting from Twitch chat on. My internet isn't going down or anything though. Anyways, this isn't the exact format that I'm going to have properties and things in, so I'll probably end up changing that. I think that's going to be it for me tonight, though. I think that's a really good starting point. We've got like the base UI and everything, how this is going to be laid out, and we got shader loading, which is basically everything we're going to be doing. All the rendering is going to be through shaders, so that's good. And I already know how to use. I'm very well practiced in these WebGL operations and things. At least I think I am. Well, we'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna work. We're gonna be right back to the working on the Unity game tomorrow. I'm fairly confident we're gonna get the Unity. I have plans for the Unity game now. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. I actually have almost got names now too for it, like Alien Impact or some shit. Alien Impact Scuffed Alien Impact. Anyways, I know what I'm gonna do in that cave section now. There's gonna be some like jump scares of the aliens going at you, and then you're actually gonna go into like the alien hive. It's gonna get extra creepy. So yeah, we'll continue working on that tomorrow, and then this will be the next project after that, I think. And tomorrow I'll probably put out the handwriting generator on my website. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you around. Hope you have a good day, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Thanks for watching.